Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos.
Hi, today we're going to know about Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri, Jan Arogya Yojana. This Yojana, PMJAY, is the world's largest government-funded healthcare program, providing a cover of 5 lakh rupees per family per year for secondary and tertiary care. As of 2026, the scheme has been expanded to include all senior citizens aged 70 and above, regardless of their income. 1. How to check your eligibility. There is no formal registration for the original scheme because it is entitlement-based. Families were pre-selected based on the Socio-Economic Caste Census, SECC 2011. However, you must check if your name is on the list. Online method, self-check. Visit the portal. Go to the official PMJAY beneficiary portal. Log in. Enter your mobile number, solve the CAPTCHA, and verify using the OTP sent to your phone. Search. Select your state and district. You can search by Aadhaar number, recommended, ration card, family ID, name and location, PMJAY ID view. Results. If your family details appear, you are eligible. If the status says not generated, you need to complete your eKYC to get your card. Offline method. Common Service Centers, CSC. Visit your nearest CSC with your Aadhaar and ration card. Helpline. Call the 24/7 toll-free number 1-4555. 2. Eligibility criteria. Who is covered? Rural households, based on deprivation. Families living in one-room houses with kucha, temporary walls and roof. Households with no adult members aged 16 to 59. Female-headed households with no adult male member. SC/ST households. Landless households dependent on manual casual labor. Urban households, based on occupation. Street vendors, cobblers and hawkers. Domestic workers and rag pickers. Construction workers, plumbers and masons. Transport workers. Drivers, conductors, rickshaw pullers. Sanitation workers and sweepers. New expansion. Senior citizens. Age 70 or older. Every Indian citizen aged 70 or older is now eligible for a shared 5 lakh rupees cover, even if they are not in the SECC list. 3. How to claim benefits. Step by step. The scheme is cashless and paperless at the point of service. Identify a hospital. Visit any empaneled public or private hospital. You can find the list on the PMJAY website or app. Visit the Ayushman help desk. Look for the Ayushman Mitra at the hospital. They are there specifically to assist beneficiaries. Verification. Present your Ayushman card, Golden card, or Aadhaar card, ration card. The Ayushman Mitra will verify your identity using biometric authentication. Treatment. Once verified, all costs related to the treatment, including diagnostics, medicines, surgery, and room charges, are covered up to 5 lakh rupees. Discharge. You do not need to pay the hospital. The hospital claims the money directly from the government. The scheme also covers 3 days of pre-hospitalization and 15 days of post-hospitalization expenses. Medicines, consultations. 4. Documents required for the Golden Card. If you are eligible but don't have the card yet, you will need Aadhaar card, primary ID, ration card to prove family relationships, active mobile number for OTP, caste, income certificate, if requested for verification. Note: the Golden Card, e-card, costs a nominal fee of approximately 30 rupees if made at a CSC, but it is free at government hospitals. Would you like me to help you find a list of empaneled hospitals in your specific city or district? Tell me in comment, I will create video on this. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more new informative videos.